We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
A lot of Hakka live in communities on mountains. Hence, they developed the habit of preserving food because food is hard to come by. They use the vegetables and fruits around them, changing what they eat along with the seasons, hence creating a unique Hakka eat culture. Traditional Hakka food is salty, fragrant, and full of fat. The salt is to make it easier to preserve, preventing food from decomposing, and also helps farmers to replenish the salt they lose when they perspire. The same goes for having lots of fat. It helps the workers get enough energy to go on working, and being fragrant Hakka food helps improve appetite and makes the food more filling. Hakka food includes many forms of preserved items such as vegetables and fish. Sauces are also essential because it helps balance the greasy taste of Hakka food. From their eating habits, you can really see the hardworking Hakka philosophy of life. Hello everyone, I am Joseph Lin. I am Joseph Lin for our Hakka lesson of the day.
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice, you see, 我现在比较溜了一点了，现在不会讲错，不会讲广东话了。
对啊，懂听啊。
Thank you very much. Anyways, it is so hot. I'm serious. Okay, you go outside, you walk for about 5 minutes, and you just want to faint. Okay, got to be careful because there's a heat stroke going on constantly throughout summer here in Taiwan. And it's getting hotter and hotter every year. So I want Alice to teach us about getting a heat stroke and be careful about it. 你有什么话可以来教？
热天记得要多饮水。
哦，热天这我就知道，热天嘛，就是夏天的意思嘛，对不对？热天记得。OK， 我要记得，记得。Let's remember.
多饮水。
要多饮水，要倒冷水。不是
吧？多喝水。
要多啉水的对了。OK, you gotta drink more water. During the summertime, you gotta drink more water.
这样不会热到。
才不会是不是？
对。
这样不会热到，才不会中暑是热到。热也是热嘛，就是热到是不是？对。所以都还是用热这个字就对了。So that last sentence right there is so you won't get a heat stroke. OK, 才不会。热到。So let's review that sentence one more time.
热天记得要多饮水。
Okay, during the summertime, you gotta remember to drink more water.
这样不会热到。
Then you won't get a heat stroke. That's it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
是蒙太嘎。
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.